Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to another Sunday Stock Watch List, where I bring you all the stocks that I like, dislike, the economic calendar, and everything going on with earnings. Earnings is starting to die down. We'll see a few stocks that we've previously played, especially Nvidia, which I'm really excited about because contracts will be at least a little bit cheaper if this doesn't get the move that we want. Now, before I get started and, go ahead with this video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, comment down below what other stocks you'd like to see on this channel, and what other videos you'd like to see as well. Also, the chat is for free every Thursday. You guys get access to pre-market reviews, the trade ideas, the live signals, the lessons and courses that we provide for free every single day. You'll have access to that, so you have no reason not to click that link down below. So let's go ahead and get started. Here we are with the economic calendar. Monday, nothing really going on. Tuesday, you have existing home sales at 10 a.m. And then you have FOMC minutes at 2 p.m. Eastern time. Wednesday, you have durable good orders, jobless claims, consumer sentiment, and EIA petroleum status report. Thursday, market is closed due to Thanksgiving. And then Friday, we basically have a half a day, quote unquote. I really don't recommend staying at the desk past 11, especially with options, but market closes at 1 p.m. Eastern time. You also have PMI composite flash at 9:45, and then as you can see, it closes at 1 p.m. And then you have the OPEC meeting, looks like after market. Here's the earnings. You have Zoom on Monday. I guess that's something you guys could be looking at. I don't really play that stock. There's just not enough volume on those options. Tuesday, you have Lowe's, Best Buy. I don't really know how to pronounce it, but Baidu, that's used to move a lot. I haven't really followed that for a very long time now. And then Nvidia, that's the one I'm most excited about because then Wednesday and Friday, I can actually play the stock. Monday and Tuesday, I probably won't be playing it, but I will be talking about it just in case because there might be one move that I might play before earnings. So with that being said, let's start with Nvidia. Just because they have earnings. What I am looking at here is this 500 level. We do have a downtrend from that 501 level. If we get to that 500 level, I will be playing this, and I want to see a nice move up. Now, are the contracts going to pay at all? Probably not, unless we get like a $10 move, really. Then it'll pay a nice percentage. Will I try to get a full move out of that? Possibly. It just depends on the day, how it opens, and the type of momentum I see on the tape. So I am watching Nvidia, 500, 502. After 502, I'm watching 505, then 510. The second thing I'm looking at with Nvidia is AMD. Since they don't have earnings this week, I am watching this because this will pay if we get the right move here. I'm watching this 122 level. You could watch 121.50 because that's where it's been getting rejected, as you can see from this pre-market, and you can see Friday, the 121.50 level. I will judge it. We'll see how it is starting this week and how the momentum is if it doesn't pull back. But if not, I will be waiting for that 122 level. After 122, I have 122.50, and from there, I'll be judging it by the tape here. Really, this does have room into that this trend here at 121.78. I probably won't hold past that 121.78 if I do get in at 121.50. Make it two separate moves here. And then if you look at this on the 1 hour, this has room up to 126.69. Do I trust AMD making that type of move in one day? No, I do not. But it's just there, and we'll see how that goes. So next thing I'm watching, Netflix. I really do hate these contracts on this stock, and the spreads on the stock is just as bad. But when you do get the right move on Netflix, it does end up paying. So I'm watching this 469 level into 470. After 470, I'm watching that 475. And after 475, 480 level, the stock has no reason not to rally here. Let's take a look at the 1-year high of 45. 3-year high, we're still far away from that. But the gap still continues to that 507 level. So if I put this on, let's say, the 3-year, 1 day, you'll see that we have this gap that we're kind of filling here. This was another gap that we actually created. It ends at 477 or 480-ish. But then you have the remaining of this gap that ends at like 506. So Netflix technically, quote unquote, has plenty of room. I'm looking for the quick momentum scalps on a daily basis. I'm not really looking to swing right now, especially with Netflix. Those contracts die in value unless I'm buying a couple months out. The next thing, we don't have Tesla, believe it or not, on the watch list. Nvidia has pretty much replaced that. I am watching Shop though. You guys can see here, we're starting to get a nice little move up. Nothing too crazy. I want to see how the momentum is above that 69 level. So I'm watching 69 and then 70. And then the top of this trend at 71, 72. So we'll see how that goes on Shopify. I'm not really a big Shopify trader here. Or I haven't been in a very long time since they've split, basically. But we'll see. If the contracts make sense, it's not too cheap. I'll probably look to play this above that 69, 70 level. And then from there, I'll be able to judge the momentum. You could see that the 4-hour high is 71.43. If you put it on the 1 year, it's also the 1 year high at 71.43. So we're pretty much at that 1 year high. And obviously, with these types of stocks, people like to chase stocks at these highs, which makes no sense when they should be buying on the dip. So that's pretty much my watch list for this week. Obviously, it'll update throughout the week. So just because I'm looking at the upside doesn't mean I'm bullish for the week. It just means that's the plays that I'm currently following. And if it happens, I'm looking to execute it. Now, if we get downside, you'll have to be in the free Discord or follow me on Instagram so you can get pretty much all the updates for the week. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace. Yeah, hit that like button, subscribe, comment down below what other things you want to see on this channel. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.